In today's video, we're going to show you how to disable the Windows 10 Game Bar and explain why you might want to turn it off. The Game Bar is a built-in feature designed for recording gameplay and taking screenshots, but for many users, it can feel intrusive. It may pop up accidentally when you press certain keys or run in the background even when you're not gaming. Turning it off can help reduce distractions and free up system resources. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu. You don't need to click anything yet, just start typing. Type Game Bar into the search bar. From the search results, click on Game Bar Settings. This will open the Settings page where you can control how the Game Bar works. At the top of this screen, you'll see an option that allows the Game Bar to open using a controller or the Win and G keys. You'll also see a toggle switch that turns the Game Bar on or off. Click the toggle to turn it off. Once the toggle is switched off, the Game Bar is disabled. This means it won't open accidentally and it won't be running quietly in the background. Many users notice fewer interruptions and smoother performance, especially while gaming or working on demanding tasks. You don't need to restart your computer. The change takes effect immediately, and you can turn the Game Bar back on anytime by returning to this same settings page. Disabling the Game Bar is a simple way to keep your system focused on what you actually use without extra features getting in the way. And that's how you disable the Windows 10 Game Bar. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.